Hello, my name is Zoe. I'm just making a video about this. I watched AvE's spinning lens video, in which he takes a lens and puts it in the middle of a bearing and spins it around for removing coolant from the lens via centrifugal force. I had a look at this one and I thought I could make a slight improvement because he's using a big bearing around the outside. Let me see if I can find a bit in that video of it. Here we go, there's a big bearing that goes around the outside there. And big bearings are expensive. But there are cheap bearings. They come in the middle of fidget spinners, they come in skateboards. They are the little 608 bearings. And if I just take this off here, I'll show you that this has a 608 bearing in the middle. I've just stuck it inside a piece of scrap plastic that I had, a little circle. And so the idea behind this is that rather than having the lens in the middle of the bearing and having it throw off the coolant that way, instead you put a circle around the outside of the bearing, which is a much cheaper bearing to have, and then you can place it in front of the camera so that the camera is just pointing at one side of it. And what this means as well is that you could maybe have one lens serving more than one camera. So what I'm just going to do, I'm going to switch over to the output of this little webcam here, and as you can see, it's not a very good quality webcam, but when you spin it, it still works. I don't have any schmooze put on it, but I do have a thing of air duster that shows that you can drive this up to speed with air. You can also put a motor on it if you want. Whatever you want. This is just a really simple cobbled together prototype kind of thing. I'd love to see someone do something a little more professional looking with it. And I'd love to hear people's thoughts. I've been Zoe. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good one.